Hello, everyone. This is Jose Garcia, and today I wanted to share about HyperDocs, which is something I learned about in a previous course called Google Tools in the Classroom. So HyperDocs, just really quick, are documents, electronic documents that incorporate multimedia and technologies using hyperlinks in order to create a more engaging lesson online. And so I have created one that I want to use with my students as my demonstration for you on what a hyperdoc is. So I'm going to go through this really quickly, but this one is for my students to explore how they could pay for college. So first, I asked them to go into a Padlet and share with the class how much they think college will cost, then do a little bit of research and share how much actually what college would actually cost. And then eventually I asked them to share how they think they could pay for college. So that's using Padlet. I also want to comment that I'm using Bitmojis here, and I think that's a fun way to engage our students. Those are pretty popular, and so I find that the students can relate with my use of Bitmojis. Here I've embedded a YouTube video and these links that take students to other resources that I've created in the past. So here's another presentation they can use as part of their research. And then there's an entire website I created for them to find local scholarships. And finally, I used a Google Doc for the students to jot down some of the colleges they're interested, how much tuition would be, how much housing would be, and their estimated total cost of attendance. I've also created another table down here for them to write down some of the potential resources they could use to help them finance college. And that's pretty much it. I also created one last document for students to share their final thoughts with me on the lesson so I could collect their feedback and try to make my presentations and lessons better for my students. So this, in a nutshell, is what a HyperDoc is. I hope you've enjoyed my presentation. Thank you.